CNC Woodworking for the Absolute Beginner from Fox Chapel Publishing will get you started using your CNC the right way. I'm Ralph Bagnall, and in this book, I'll take you through 5 fun and useful projects, each one that teaches you a different skill you need to know. We'll start with engraving a simple conversion chart. This will just take you through the process of programming, setting up, and running your machine, so you'll have a framework for everything that comes next. This travel takeout drink holder will teach you all about the profile toolpath. You'll learn about cutting on the line, inside the lines to make holes, and outside the lines to cut the parts out. We'll use this tic-tac-toe board to teach you about the drawing commands that are available within your CAD/CAM program and how to use pocketing toolpaths to make mortises and holes without burning your bits. The garden marker project teaches you about using text and importing graphics, which you can then carve into your projects using the vCarve commands. In the final project, you'll import a 3D model of this coaster, learn how to program it to carve out, and along the way, I'll show you how to do multiple parts with the fewest number of toolpaths. Taken together, these 5 projects will give you a solid grounding in the techniques you need to program and run your CNC machine. There's always going to be more to learn, but CNC Woodworking for the Absolute Beginner is going to get you started quickly and correctly, drawing on my decades of experience programming and operating CNC machines. Find out more about the book at foxchapelpublishing.com or at woodcademy.com.